Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2021 E-450 Super Duty van in a white metallic exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way in here towards the middle, you'll see that it comes with a black grille insert along with the beautiful black trim and that patented Ford blue logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, let's go ahead and hop in and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful gray leather interior, not to mention a beautiful gray matte finish to your dash, as well as some of this black trim here along the radio system. Let's go ahead and grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific van, your tire depths will be 14 and 32 seconds all the way around, and both your brakes will be 11 and 32 seconds. Here at the rear of the vehicle, I by all means am not a van expert, so I'm going to go ahead and go below here and just scan across and show you guys what this comes with. If you guys know what you're looking for, you should be able to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and keep panning along here. Now, for your added convenience, there are step-ups here on the side and as well as safety handles. So I'm gonna go ahead and step up here and lift this back up for you guys, showing you guys the inside. Now, to unlock this, all you'll simply do is you'll pull this up. This will slide over, locking in place. You'll just grab the handle and pull up. Now, coming in the back here, there is plenty of room here to haul anything you can possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and manual seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. Now, might be a little hard to hear me because I do have the air conditioning on full blast. As you can see, I am outside doing this video, so it is a little warm today. But this vehicle will come with just over 55,000 miles on it. Wait for it to focus there. There it goes. To the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have the option for the brightness of your driver display to turn that up and down on both sides, as well as all of your headlight adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be all your windshield wiper adjustments, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side will be your shifter. The left side of your steering wheel will be your driver display options, as well as your cruise control. And on the right side, you'll have your volume, as well as some of your other options for your middle display and your touch to talk. Moving here over into the middle, you will have a stereo system equipped with AM, FM, and Bluetooth ready. Above that, you will have a small storage compartment there, as well as another small coin holder there. You'll have another small storage compartment located here below your stereo. The climate control is at the touch of your fingertips there. Your four ways, a USB-C port, a USB port, another USB port over here. You'll have plenty of cup holders as well as storage compartments there along that side. Located here below the seats, you will have a fire extinguisher. And then I do just also want to point out that back here in between the driver and passenger seat, there is a sliding door. You simply will just pull this up. I apologize, and then it would lock over on top of that, and then this door simply just slides right open. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 7.3 liter V8 engine, and you also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around, show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. Down here, your hubcaps will also be slightly chipped up and starting to rust just a little bit. Coming back here to just the body portion of the vehicle, this door is extremely clean. There's no scratches, no marks, no dings. Here along the box side of it, you will have a scratch that runs pretty much the entire length. However, other than that, there's a couple of imperfections back here as well. Back here towards the step-up area, there are some slight small rust spots starting, but most of these vans have all of this already. This is already pretty typical unless it's brand new. Coming down along the driver's side, once again, there's another scratch that runs basically the entire body length of that. As well as here on the driver's hubcap, there are going to be some chips and rust starting there as well. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2021 Ford E-450 Super Duty van. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.